Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show recover deleted call record or recover deleted call recording or restore deleted audio call record. If you want to recover your deleted all call recording or all call record, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see your Google Play Store. Open it. And in this time you can see data recovery, recover deleted videos and audios app. Please install this app and then open it. And then choose select app language. You can choose your language. I can choose English, so click on it, English default language. And remember how it works. The app will bring both deleted and not deleted files from your phone. Please be patient and the scan will take some time. Just keep looking and you will find files you are looking for. And then you can see get started option. So click on it, get started. And in this time you can see scan videos, scan audios, restored videos, restored audios. You can choose scan audios option. So click here scan audios. Scanning completed. 94 deleted files. Show deleted files. So click on it, show deleted files. And in this here you can see your all deleted call recording or your all deleted call record audio record. And in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted call recording or audio record or audio call. Let's see how to recover or restore deleted call recording. So click here. And in this time you can choose and selected your need audios. I can choose and selected these audios. So click on it and then click on it and then click here and then you can see restore now option. So choose restore now option and click on it, restore now. And you can easily recover or restore your deleted call recording. And then go back, go back, go back, go back. Here you can see restored audios. So click here restored audios. And in this here you can see your all recover or restore deleted call recording or restore deleted audios. And then click here. Here you can see complete action using music, YouTube music, share it music. And in this way you can easily recover deleted call recording, deleted call record or restore deleted audio call record. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.